we guide you through how to remove the lock screen on iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app, scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode depending on your device. Then, enter your current passcode to continue. Once inside, scroll down and tap Turn Passcode Off and confirm by tapping it again. When prompted, you'll need to enter your passcode one more time to finalize the change. And after that, your iPhone will no longer require a passcode to unlock. If you also have Face ID or Touch ID enabled, this will automatically be disabled once the passcode is turned off. Keep in mind that removing your passcode reduces your phone's security, meaning anyone can access your data, apps, and personal information. So, only do this if you're sure. If the option is grayed out, check if you have a work profile or configuration profile installed, as this can require a passcode. So, go to Settings, General, VPN and Device Management to review and remove any restrictions if needed.